Tēnā koutou te Reo-Trepeneurs. Welcome to week 1 of Taki, or reciting. This week we are looking at he tohu wāhi, a symbol of location. This is a symbol of location, a symbol of prepositions, phrase and sentence joiners, and transitive verbs. At its core is here, where. What I want you to do is simply learn the sequence as I deliver it, and I'll make sure to recap it in my lives on Tuesday nights. Over the 13 weeks, we will build an awesome repertoire of taki, or reciting. So how we do it is we always start with te reo tuakana, also known as the older voice or the English language, first language. Then we follow with te reo teina, which is the younger voice, also known as your second language or te reo Māori. Here we go. This is the sequence for he tohu wāhi. Here, ko nei, there, ko nā, over there, ko rā, above, runga, below, raro, in front, mua, behind, muri, middle, wainganui, inside, roto, outside, waho, right, matau, left, maui.